Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna be replacing the gearbox mount or a left engine mount, whatever you want to call it, on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. I'm gonna start by removing the battery and battery tray just so I have as much room as possible. Now to remove the battery tray, we got these three 13mm bolts, and also don't forget to undo these cables on the back. So you got these clips right here, just pull on them and push the cables out. There it is. And I'm just gonna pull this cable. You can just pull it out of this hole. Next we're gonna move on to the fuse box. Now to remove this top cover, you got one Phillips screw right here and one on the other side. I'm just gonna pull this center piece out. So you got one clip right here. Now to remove this bottom part of the fuse box, we got one 10mm screw right here. Here's the second one, and we got this plastic piece which you can just unscrew. And I'm also gonna separate this top part of the washer bottle like that. I'm also gonna separate these cables just by undoing this little clip. And next I'm just gonna pull this whole bottom part of the fuse box out. I'm gonna move all of this to the side. Make sure that you don't damage any of the wiring. Now before I can touch that gearbox mount, I gotta support the gearbox from beneath, but before I can do that I gotta remove this protective plastic. Alright, so I'll put a block of wood underneath the gearbox, and I'm gonna lower the car slowly onto it so the gearbox is supported. Alright, next I'm gonna undo these three bolts which hold the gearbox to the mount, and they are gonna be E18. Next we have to undo this engine mount both right here, and we got the same one on the other side. Lastly, I'm gonna remove these two bolts right here. There it is. Now again, as with the engine mount on the right side, this center has dropped around 5 millimeters, and now you can see how much movement this mount actually has compared to this one, which has very little. Now the main problem again is going to be in the engine mount design, which simply drops this metal part over time. Now you can see that I can push this middle part almost all the way out. Look at that. And there's no way that I can do the same thing with this new one. Alright, time to put the new engine mount in. Again, I'm gonna put it right here from the front. Next, I'm gonna refer to my trusted workshop manual for the torque specifications. Now this right here is gonna be our gearbox mount, so we gotta check out the bolts 4, 5, and 6. Now for the bolt number 4, as you can see right here, it needs to be tightened from 45 to 55 Newton meters, and the second phase is gonna be additional 45 degrees. Now the bolt number 5 needs to be tightened from 55 to 66 Newton meters, and lastly our bolt number 6 needs to be tightened from 77 to 93 Newton meters. Now lastly, since we disconnected the battery, we're gonna have some lights on the dash. Now to get rid of that, just turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, then all the way to the right, and put it back in the middle. Now you can just restart the car and you can see that all of the lights are gone. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it interesting and useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of car enthusiasts.